Uber drivers, you're doing rideshare, food delivery, parcel deliveries, you have any other gig, you do e-commerce, freelancing as a self-employed. This is your business. These businesses need to be handled accordingly. So if you or your accountant don't have the enough amount of knowledge and experience handling businesses, their accounting, and eventually the tax returns, there is a high chance that you would end up making mistakes. The risk for an CRA audit is very high. And I'm talking out of our experience of more than 7 years doing Uber and self-employed tax returns and business returns. So CRA calls for an audit not because the tax return itself is very complex. It's because it has some basic mistakes. For example, you miscalculated your income, mishandled the HST GST, mistakes in the HST return, depreciation, and especially when it is mixed with employment income or other sources of income on your tax return, it becomes a complex scenario. And you have to handle it accordingly. We spend a lot of time looking at these things, how much is coming from this stream, how much income is from this stream, what's the net income out of your self-employment, all those things. And then what's the best that we can get on your tax return and what's the best outcome in terms of taxes, right? So that's why we don't just say, hey, we're going to get you a refund, but we always say we're going to get the best tax saving in the right way, doing it the right way, the accurate way. Anyway, we are experts in doing tax returns for individuals, businesses, and corporations. And we are well known for doing tax return for Uber drivers all across Canada. We do it online. So you can try us this year as well if you're new to us, and we'll make sure that we answer all your questions and give you the best service that we can. Hope to see you soon.